Welcome back to Angel's Academy Learning Fun Zone.
Hi kids, get ready for a fun and exciting learning adventure. In this video, we will explore common vocabulary words, from amazing animals to everyday things. You will learn new words, see colorful pictures, and have so much fun while learning. Let's dive in and start our journey together. A is for apple, axe, aeroplane, anchor. B is for book, bag, ball, bicycle. C is for cup, chair, clock, car. D is for drum, dog, dragon, dice. E is for elephant, eggs, eagle, eyes. F is for flower, fish, flamingo, fan. G is for garbage truck, globe, guitar, giraffe. H is for hamburger, helicopter, headphone, horse. I is for ice skating, island, iron, ice cream. J is for jeep, jaguar, joker, jelly. K is for kangaroo, kiwi, kite, kitten. L is for lion, lemon, leaf, lollipop. M is for monkey, mango, mushroom, money. N is for nest, nurse, ninja, notebook. O is for owl, octopus, orange, oven. P is for panda, pumpkin, pizza, parrot. Q is for queen, quilt, question, quail. R is for rocket, rainbow, rabbit, river. S is for scooter, snake, sun, school bus. T is for tiger, train, tree, tractor. U is for umbrella, unicorn, UFO, ukulele. V is for violin, van, vase, village. W is for watch, watermelon, wolf, window. X is for X-ray, Xerox, X-ray fish, xylophone. Y is for yawn, yacht, yogurt, yarn. Z is for zero, zebra, zigzag, zookeeper.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Angel's Academy for more awesome content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.